You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words, I should say, once and for all, correctly. If you want to learn more names, more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. So, the top word is pronounced in standard British English. Let's say winter, winter. Now, some in the US may say winter. Now, the bottom word is pronounced winner or winner. Now, the Americans sometimes pronounce the top word, the season, winner as well. In which case, those two words in American English, for many Americans, they pronounce the same way, winner, winner. All right, winner, somebody who wins, or winner, the season when it's cold. So, yeah, there are different pronunciations of winter, 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 or winter also. But winner is the bottom word, somebody who wins. So sometimes they have the same pronunciation, sometimes not, depending who says it. Winter, winner, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.